So you're ready to learn how to make Chicken Cajun Pasta.
Drum roll, please.
Now don't get it twisted. Old Bay and Cajun seasonings are often mistaken for each other because they have a few ingredients in common. However, Old Bay has a very specific recipe containing 18 different ingredients, while Cajun seasoning has no single proprietary blend. It is typically made up of 10 or less ingredients. Girl, it's just spicy. When I was a young girl, I hated anything that was burnt. Today, as a side, I'm adding some delicious charred green beans. What is charring in cooking? I'm glad you asked. Charring is a cooking technique that exposes the surface of a food to high temperatures, burning it ever so slightly to add flavor and textural complexity. I'm so in love with charred green beans now, I recommend them to anyone. What do you think? Top them. Are you going to try some charred green beans today? Comment below. If you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you never miss another video. Thanks for watching!